Love and affection that it deserves.
Sebastian, what are you doing?
30 minutes of loving.
Oh man,
There you go.
that's a good looking muscle.
Woo!
Brother, you know what you're doing? Well, guys, I don't know if you know what this is, but this is an amazing piece of meat. Look at that.
It's incredible.
It doesn't have one little bit of fat in it. It's just meat. That's what it is.
What is it, Ninja?
This is venison tenderloins.
Woo!
Look at this beauty. Can you touch it? Touch it. Look how
I don't wanna touch
smooth
it.
that is, man.
Oh, it is incredible.
It's so smooth.
You know, I never had venison tenderloin before. I've been meaning to do it for the longest time, but I haven't had it yet.
You never have?
No.
What about if you cook it today?
Oh, I don't know. You have to instruct me.
I will give you a little bit of a hint of what to do, and you cook it and
I would
see what
love
happens.
to. I would love to.
Only one thing you have to be worried about would be it doesn't have any fat
Yeah.
into it.
Yeah, I can
So
see.
it will overcook real quick if you don't pay attention to it. You
check
have to
this
be
out.
paying
I mean,
attention to it.
There's no fat at all in this.
No fat at all. But it's a beautiful, shiny,
looks beautiful.
amazing steak.
Ooh.
And another thing that I want to talk about is this is a pasteurized, raised venison. It's not from the wild.
Okay.
So the flavor is going to be a
Yeah.
little bit less gamey.
Okay.
But
But it's gonna be very safe to eat.
very
healthy.
safe to eat, very good.
I mean, it looks incredible. So what's the taste like in general, like compared to a beef tenderloin? A lot.
it's a little bit
tastier.
like beef, but a little bit gamey too.
Okay.
You like gamey?
Yeah, I love that stuff.
Man.
Lamb. I mean, I don't know, but is lamb gamey?
No. It's
I'm
completely different.
gonna get so.
It's completely different.
Gonna get horrible comments right now. What's this guy talking about?
It's gonna be something unique that if you never tried before,
Okay.
you don't really know, and it's
Yeah.
really difficult for me to explain.
Last
but
year
it's
we,
really good.
Juan and I, we did a wild boar shoulder. You know, like kind of like
Uh-huh.
pulled pork, but a wild boar shoulder. That was amazing. You know, just like normal kind of pork shoulder is kind of flat and doesn't have that much taste. You have to put tons of seasoning on it. But the wild boar, like really took it off the charts basically.
Before
Tons of
getting
taste.
into this,
Yeah.
because you're talking about cooking, this is my friend Sebastian. He has his own channel. You should go and check them out because they have some amazing videos there, guys.
Thank you.
He's a good friend of mine, and today we're cooking together. So let's see what's up. But before getting into the cooking, guys, remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. We're putting 2 videos online every week with a lot of information, a lot of testing, a lot of fun that I know you guys are gonna like. So hit the button, hit the bell, let's get into this. All right, my friend, the first thing to do with this baby would be to get rid of that little silver skin.
Okay.
You know how to do that, right? I mean, you've done it 1,000 times, bro.
I'll do the second one. You do the first one. I do the second one.
You just
Okay.
go back. Yeah. Try to cut as least meat as possible, not like me.
Yeah.
And then this part, just go
Yeah, I
backwards.
see. Okay.
You can have a lot of fun. If you point the knife up, you will always
Go really close.
yeah,
Yeah.
get really close to it.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's nice, smooth. It's almost fun working with that knife. I cut a lot of meat here. There you go. Right, I think pretty clean. Look, we got it all. All right, yeah, that was
That's a
easy.
beautiful
Thanks.
steak. All right, the next thing that I like to do is, because this doesn't have any fat into it, it's really difficult for the spices to stick on it.
Okay.
So I put a little bit of olive oil, then I put my salt, my pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
So just pour a little bit on top.
Just a little bit on top and massage.
Massage. All right.
That's it.
Massage it right in. Okay, what are we going to season it with?
We're gonna use the Maldon salt that we love here.
Yeah.
You like the Maldon salt,
I
huh?
love it. Those
That
salt
one is
crystals, beautiful.
Well, as you can see, this was really easy. How do you like it?
I'm so excited about this.
When you put the oil
Yeah.
in, you see it? I love it, man.
I love massaging that meat,
Yes.
but now I want to eat it.
We put a lot of spices on it because it's tenderloin. Tenderloin
Yeah.
doesn't have a lot of flavor, and this one can take a lot of spices, guys. So, I mean, I think it's time to cook
Let's
this
do
up,
it.
man.
Let's light the grill and let's get
Put it on the
going.
grill, baby. Venison is cooked exactly the same way as you can cook any other steak. Indirect heat until it hit 120 degrees, and then after that, you just sear them up. All right, my friend, what do you think about this?
This is an incredible looking meal, Ninja. This
I love it, brother.
Wow, what a presentation too. Thank
Cheers,
you.
brother. Cheers.
It's some good stuff. Thank you for inviting me. This is incredible.
My friend, this is your house. Whenever you want, you are invited. No problem at all.
Thank you.
But now,
Yeah,
it's time to give this baby a try
let's talk about this.
and see if Meet the Butchers did a good job here. I don't know. Let's give it a good try. What do you think?
I mean, it smells incredible. Like,
The smell is really good and really intense because of the spices we put on it. I mean, let's
let's go for it.
go for it,
I
bro.
mean, we don't know what to expect,
Let's go for it.
but it's gonna be tasty.
Look
It's
at
gonna be
this.
tender.
And look how
Look
it's
at-
leaking,
Oh,
okay?
Look at this. Look at the juice.
You can say that this thing is overcooked, okay?
Look at this.
Look at that. Let's go for it, bro.
I mean, it's juicy. We already know it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is yummy.
Oh, wow.
It's super tender. Mine is super tender, but super tasty.
This is more than tender, guys. This thing just melt
Wow.
in your mouth.
Wow.
Super tasty. Wow, that pepper. I
Yeah.
give it a nice
Yeah,
flavor,
yeah.
bro. You did a good job there.
Incredible.
Wow, this is good. This is juicy.
Right?
It's not gamey at all.
No.
I was expecting it to be
Well,
gamey,
there's like an edginess of it, but not crazy.
but I like it.
Yeah. This enhances the flavor.
I like that
You
little.
know, over like a normal beef tenderloin,
Man.
which has like no taste or not that much taste. This gives it taste.
It's so good. I love it. Juanito, give it a try, bro.
Go, take this one, the middle one.
You need to try it.
You know, the thick one, the juicy
You
one.
cannot get
the
out of here
tasty
without
one.
trying that one. That one. That
This
one.
one, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, Juanito. Juanito.
what do you say?
Talk to me, bro. Oh, he can't even talk. He can't even talk.
Oh god.
Delicious, huh? Yeah, because this thing is delicious,
It's
brother.
incredible.
You did such a great job, brother.
This is good.
Wow, this is good, good, amazing, crazy, unbelievable stuff. Miss Ninja, you have to try this thing.
I'm coming.
Come over here.
coming.
Let me tell you something. Miss Ninja always has a problem with gaming meat. She doesn't really
sit
like
down.
it.
Try this.
You
it's
are our
incredible.
guest.
She doesn't really like the
Look at
gamey
this,
fish. I
super
want her to
juicy.
give it a good try.
Yes.
Let's go for it, Miss Ninja. Mr. George, you
Oh,
want a
look
little
who's
piece?
here. He's waiting for his piece today, right?
Don't tempt him.
Oh my
Mr.
God.
George.
Yeah, look at
This
that.
is extremely tender.
Right?
What is it?
Deer.
Oh,
Venison.
is this Bambi?
No, it's not. No. It's not Bambi.
We just got a bunch of bad comments.
It's not Bambi, guys. This is somebody else. It's the bad guy in the movie. It's not Bambi. All right.
This is excellent.
Well, before anything happened, I had to thank Meet the Butcher for providing us with this thing because it's amazing.
Yeah.
And I had to thank Sebastian for cooking this thing. If you don't know about him, check him out. He has a beautiful channel. They do a lot of cooking in there and a lot of good stuff. And he's my good friend. So, I mean, check him out because it's amazing there. And he does know how to cook.
Oh,
Ninja,
yes.
keep eating. I'm
Keep
gonna
eating?
finish it before you.
I'll see you. I'll see
And
you.
Georgie is like, I can't wait.
Juanito.
Well, Ninja talks. I finished the meat.
So, guys, as you can see, this was a success. This was amazing, delicious, juicy, tender, crazy good. Juan liked it. My wife liked it. Sebastian liked it. I like it.
This is great.
Mr.
Really good
Georgie
stuff.
liked it, and even the flamingo in the pool liked it. Everybody liked this thing. It was a total success.
Oh, yes.
If you want to know more about this meat, check out Meet the Butchers. They have all those meat in there, and they have some good premium meats at really good prices that you can check them out. And if you haven't seen the video that we made with the Denver versus the flat iron, you have to check it out here. That was an amazing video.
incredible.
That was good, brother.
Oh my God.
Sebastian was here with
I'm
us,
still thinking about that.
and it was
That
crazy
Wagyu.
good. Oh man, that was amazing.
Melt in your mouth.
So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're doing because these things, nobody cooked this good any other way.
And hit that bell.
But Sebastian's channel does really good. And don't forget to hit the bell.
So you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays, every time we upload our new videos, and having a lot of fun with our friends here. Juan.
There you go.
In the description of the video is all the information that you guys need to know about this beautiful cut of meat. And if you have any question, any comment about how we cook this thing, how you might want to cook it in a different way, or if you ever tried it before, let us know down there in the comments. That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
We love you.
Say it that you love them.
I love you guys.
Yeah.
Check out my channel. Don't forget.
Don't forget to check his channel.
Hey, we had so much fun, right?
Awesome.